Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I turned this ugly duckling into a swan. I've always wanted one of these stools for my vanity corner, but I was just contemplating on getting one. But when I saw this one, I fell in love with the frame. So stay tuned guys, and I'll walk you through how I turned this ugly duckling into a beautiful swan. So the first thing that I did was I just pulled off the top of the stool and I put it aside, and it was so dirty and dusty and crackly. I just screwed off the screw there, and it was very simple. I didn't have to do much. After I had done that, I just gave the base of the stool a clean, and I also cleaned out the rust that was on the base as well. And once I was done, I just took an old towel that I have, put it on the table, and I put my base on top and just gave the stool a brand new coat of fresh paint there. I already had that gold spray paint, so everything that I did here was done on a budget. I didn't spend a lot. Once I was done, I just took this pillow that I have in my home and I just put it on top of the stool, and I'm just going to use it as the cushion pad. And I also took pillowcase that I have. It's blush pink in color, and I used that on top of the pillow, as you can see here. I just took the cover and I just started tucking it in underneath the top of the pillow so it could get underneath the base, the frame, sorry, underneath the frame there, like you can see. And once I was done, I just turned the stool around and I just put back the screw where it was, and it was so easy. And once I had finished that, I just took off the scissors and I cut off the ends of the cushion that were protruding outside. And here we are guys, this is the final product. This is how the stool looks. I love how it came out. It looks beautiful, and this video doesn't do any justice to it. I love how this stool came out guys, and everything was done on a budget. I didn't have to spend much there. I might have to get some grips there for the bottom part. And here is my beautiful ugly duckling that has turned into a swan. Hope you liked this video guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like and share. Until next time, have a great one guys.